given here. This side you have most desirable scheme and here least desirable scheme. So based on the previous discussion, so when we want CA high and CB low, okay, so you will prefer this CA high, and these are side entries of C low concentration of B that we have seen earlier. Then next scheme is mixed flow reactor. CA and CB you can maintain. This maintaining low is more important. So this is less desirable as compared to this. Then if CA high and CB high both, if you go like this, this is not at all desirable, and this B is flowing through the reactor and A is now added as side entry to the reactor at various points. Okay, so here CB is high and CA is low. So this will favor, this kind of setup will favor this. This kind of setup will favor this. So we are considering on the basis of different possible setups. So based on previous discussions, we know. So let us say, that means if these kind of possible setups are available with us, and how will you decide which is most desirable and which is least desirable? So this is least desirable because we don't want CA low. We don't want both high. So this is also not desirable, but better than this. This both low, this is also not desirable, but will give you the better performance than this. And this is, of course, we will prefer, this is most desirable, and this we want to go ahead with. So this example verifies these qualitative findings. We should also note that there are still other contacting schemes which are superior to and can be best. So these are few representative only. So there are more possibilities of the contacting schemes. For example, if we can use an excess of reactant, or if it is practical to separate and recycle unconverted reactant. So if you have putting separator, which will of course add to cost and operating cost, but whether it is advantageous or not, and those things we have studied in recycle reactors some earlier chapter. So those possibilities are also to be considered. And if you test with all kind of possibilities, you will get vastly improved product distribution. So the best selecting or suggesting the best possible scheme for these multiple reactions, and here we are considering parallel reaction, competitive reaction. If you know the rate laws and the reaction stoichiometry, based on this qualitatively you can suggest the reaction scheme, but it is not just as easy as it looks when we discuss this. You have to consider many more possibilities which are there. You can play with the concentrations of the reactant, one should be used in excess or not, if that is giving you the better performance. Then also combinations of the reactors. We have seen mixed flow reactors in series, or plug flow followed by mixed flow followed by plug flow, and also recycle, and recycle not of just the product stream, that is one possibility, but the recycle of only unconverted reactant after separating the product stream into product and unconverted reactant.